Collard Greens TV, Collard Greens Gardening. Today I'm going to be showing you how to plant Yukon Gold potatoes in 5-gallon or 3.5-gallon buckets. You most definitely want to start with a seeded potato that you bought from your nursery or Walmart or Lowe's or whatnot. It's not recommended to use the potatoes from the store, like your Kroger or the ones you have in your home. They're not recommended. First of all, you want to make sure you get the ones that kind of are smaller, like an egg. The ones that are not smaller like eggs, you would want to cut them in half, but you want to make sure both halves have at least one eye on it, and you will want it to sit for a couple of days before you plant it so it heals. But as you see, I picked the ones that were the size of eggs, so we can go right to planting. This is a 5-gallon bucket that has a few holes punched in the bottom. When you are planting potatoes, you do not want to fill the bucket completely. So this bucket is filled about 1/4 of the way. So you would just, fill the bucket about 1/4 of the way, open up a little space. I like to plant the potato with the eye up. It doesn't matter. It will find its way up. It's just easier if you plant it with the eye up. So you just plant it with the eye up, and then you just cover it with the dirt. And you don't want to really, pack it down tight. You just want to get the dirt over top of the potato. And then you would want to water it, of course. Now, as the potato starts to grow, as the sprouts start to grow out of the dirt, you would add dirt. So about every 1.5 or 2 inches, you would add dirt until it was at the top here, and you was full with dirt and the plant grow, because your potatoes are all in the bucket. Nothing will be growing on the leaf. Even though the leaves are pretty and they're nice looking, there's nothing that will grow up top. Everything will grow in the bucket. So as the leaves start to grow up, you just start to add dirt in the bucket as it grows up. I have a few on the front porch to show you. As you see, these have already started to grow. Now this is a 3.5-gallon bucket. It works the same way. You just fill the bucket up about halfway. With the 5-gallon bucket, you only want to fill it up about 1/4 of the way. As you see, I've already started to add dirt as it starts to grow. So as they start to grow up, I'll just keep adding dirt until the dirt is about, I don't know, maybe here, and then the plant grows, and like I said, all your potatoes will be in there. The same thing with the 3.5-gallon bucket. But that's pretty much it to growing potatoes in a 5-gallon or 3.5-gallon bucket. Any questions, any comments, please leave in the comment section. Collard Greens TV, Collard Greens Gardening. Yay, yay.